Close your eyes, take a breath, and let's practice English together in a way you've never tried before. This is a guided visualization. In English, your mind learns the language while it relaxes. Wait 1 sec. Imagine a place where you feel completely safe. We're going there today. In English. You don't need to study. You don't need to try hard. Just listen. Just breathe. Just follow my voice. I'm Scott, and this is English with Scott. If this is your first time, welcome. Let's begin.
Welcome. Find a comfortable position. Sit or lie down. Whatever feels right for you. Close your eyes if you can. And take a slow, deep breath in. Hold it for a moment. And breathe out slowly. Good. In this session, we are going to practice English together, but not by studying, not by repeating words, just by listening, just by imagining. Your brain absorbs language when it is relaxed, so the more relaxed you are right now, the better. Let's take one more breath together. In through the nose, hold, and out through the mouth. Perfect. Let's begin. We are going to visit a place that exists only in your mind, a place where you feel completely safe, completely calm, completely at peace. As I describe this place in English, try to see it. Try to feel it. Don't worry about understanding every word. Just listen. Just breathe. Just follow. Imagine you are standing at the edge of a forest. The trees are tall, ancient and strong. Their leaves are a deep, rich green. Light is coming through the branches, soft, golden light. The kind of light you only see in the early morning, or just before sunset. It lands on the ground in patches, warm circles of light on the forest floor. You can feel the warmth on your skin. It is gentle. It is kind. Like the sun is welcoming you. You take a step forward into the forest. The ground beneath your feet is soft, covered in moss. Each step feels cushioned, like the earth is holding you. You hear the sound of leaves moving in the breeze. A slow, quiet rustle. Shh, like the forest is breathing. And somewhere nearby you hear water, a small stream, moving gently over smooth stones. The sound is steady, rhythmic. It slows your thoughts without you even trying. You follow the sound of the water, walking slowly. There is no rush here, no deadlines, no notifications, no noise from the outside world, just you and the forest, and the sound of water getting closer. You come to a clearing, a small open space where the trees part. And there it is, a stream, clear and cool, running over rocks worn smooth by years of water. You sit down beside it, cross-legged on the soft ground, and you watch the water move. Notice the water, how it moves around every stone, not fighting, not forcing, just flowing, finding the easiest path forward. Water never worries. Water never rushes unless it needs to. And right now, it doesn't need to. Neither do you. Take a breath here. Breathe in the cool forest air. It smells of earth, of pine, of something wild and clean. Hold it for just a moment and release. Let anything heavy in your body leave with that breath. Just let it go. As you sit by the stream, you begin to feel something, a sense of clarity, like fog lifting. Your mind is becoming quiet, not empty, just still. The way a lake becomes still when the wind stops. Thoughts may come, that's okay. Watch them like leaves floating on the water. They arrive, they pass. You don't need to hold on to any of them. You are the water, steady beneath the surface, always moving, always flowing, but never lost. Now I want you to think about something you are working toward, a goal, a dream, something that matters to you. Maybe it's your English. Maybe it's something else entirely. Hold it in your mind gently. Don't force it, Just let it rest there, like a stone in your open hand. Now imagine yourself 1 year from now. You have been working toward this thing, slowly, steadily, like water. What does that version of you look like? How do they carry themselves? How do they speak? How do they feel? See that person clearly. That person is you. You are already becoming them. Every day, every small step, every quiet moment like this one. The stream is still flowing beside you. The light through the trees is still warm. The forest is still quiet. But now you notice something else, a feeling in your chest, steady and calm, like a fire that doesn't need to roar to keep you warm. That feeling is confidence. Quiet confidence, the kind that doesn't need to announce itself. It just is. Take a moment with that feeling. Breathe it in. Let it settle into your body, into your shoulders, your chest, your hands. This feeling is yours. You can come back to it anytime. Slowly now, begin to come back. You are still in the forest, still by the stream, but you can feel the room around you, the chair or the floor beneath you, the sounds of your real environment returning. That's okay. You can carry this feeling with you. The calm, the clarity, the quiet confidence. They don't stay in the forest. They come with you wherever you go. Take one final breath in this space. In through the nose, long and slow. Hold, and out through the mouth, completely. Empty your lungs fully, and when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment before you move. Notice how you feel. Notice the quiet inside you. That quiet is yours. You made it. Before we went into the forest, you were somewhere else. Maybe at your desk, maybe on your phone, maybe carrying something heavy in your mind. A worry, a question you don't have the answer to yet. A conversation that didn't go the way you hoped. That's normal. That's being human. But here's something worth knowing. You don't have to carry everything all the time. You are allowed to put things down, even just for a few minutes, like you just did. That is a skill, and like any skill, the more you practice it, the easier it becomes. Let's go back to the forest one more time. You don't have to close your eyes, just listen. You are still there, by the stream. The water is still moving. The light is still coming through the trees. But now it's a little later in the day. The light is golden now. That warm orange light that comes in the late afternoon, when the world slows down, when even the birds seem to pause. You are still sitting by the water, and you notice something in the stream, a smooth, flat stone, sitting just below the surface. The water moves over it, around it. The stone doesn't resist, it just stays, solid, present, exactly where it is. That stone is you. Life moves around you, fast and unpredictable, but you are solid, you are present, you are exactly where you need to be. Now let's practice something together. I'm going to say some sentences in English, slowly, about how you feel in this moment. Just listen. Let the words land. I am calm. I am exactly where I need to be. I am learning. I am growing. I am enough. I choose peace. I choose patience. I am open to what comes next. My mind is clear. My body is relaxed. I trust the process. I am doing better than I think. I have everything I need right now. I am present. I am here. Let those words sit with you for a moment. You don't have to believe all of them right now. Just let them be there, like seeds. They take time, but they grow. One of the most powerful things you can do for your English is this. Spend time with it when you are calm, when your nervous system is settled, when you are not trying to perform or impress anyone. Just you and the language, in a quiet moment, like this one. Your brain is more open right now than it is in a classroom. More open than it is when you are stressed, or nervous, or rushed. So whatever you heard today, whatever words landed, they went somewhere deeper than usual. That's the gift of learning this way, and you can do it anytime. any quiet moment. A few minutes before sleep, early in the morning before the world gets loud, even on a commute with your eyes closed. Just listen. Just breathe. Let the language come to you. We are almost at the end of our time today, but before we finish, I want you to do one thing. Think of one word from today that stayed with you. Just one. Maybe it was forest. Maybe it was stream. Maybe it was calm, or confidence, or present, or enough. Hold that word. Say it quietly to yourself, in English. That word is yours now. Carry it with you today. Use it if you can. Write it down if you like. But most importantly, remember how it felt to hear it. In this quiet space, in this relaxed state. That feeling is what learning should feel like, and it can always feel this way, if you let it. Let's spend a little more time in this space, because you deserve it. The world moves fast, too fast sometimes, and most of us spend very little time just being, not doing, not producing, not achieving, just being, breathing, existing quietly. This is that time, so let's use it fully. Take a breath, slow and deep. Feel your chest rise. Feel your shoulders drop. Good. Notice the weight of your body, where you are sitting or lying right now, the contact between your body and the surface beneath you. You are held. You are supported. You don't have to hold yourself up right now. Just let go of that effort. Let the ground do its job and let yourself rest. In English, we have a phrase, let it be. 2 words, simple. Let it be. It means stop fighting what is. Stop trying to control what you can't control, and allow things to exist as they are. Right now, in this moment, everything is okay. You are okay. Whatever is waiting for you outside this moment, it will still be there. But right now, it is not here. Right now, there is only this, the sound of my voice, your breath, and the quiet beneath everything. Let it be. Let this be enough, because it is. I want to teach you a few more English phrases before we close. Phrases that belong in moments like this one. The first is, I am at peace. Say it quietly in your mind. I am at peace. The second is, I release what I cannot control. I release what I cannot control. The third, I am open to new possibilities. I am open to new possibilities. The fourth, I trust myself. Simple, powerful. I trust myself. And the last one, I am exactly where I need to be. Read it again slowly in your mind. I am exactly where I need to be. Not behind, not lost, not too slow. Exactly where you need to be. For this moment, for this version of yourself. Keep moving forward, one breath at a time. Today you practiced English in a different way. Not with grammar rules, not with vocabulary lists, but with your whole mind, with your breath, with your imagination. Research shows that relaxed minds absorb language faster. So every time you listen to something like this in English, you are learning, even when it doesn't feel like studying, especially when it doesn't feel like studying. Come back to this session whenever you need to slow down, whenever the world feels too fast. I'll be here. I'm Scott. See you in the next episode.